In this lesson, you'll learn the key difference between a population and a sample in statistics. This is super important for choosing the right formula when calculating variance and standard deviation. Think about your school. Let's say we want to find the average height of all students in the school. This entire group, every single student, is called a population. But let's be real, measuring every student's height might take forever, right? Instead, we could randomly select a smaller group of students and find their average height. This smaller group is called a sample. And the cool thing is, we can use this sample to estimate the average height for the entire school. So, what's the key difference? A population includes everyone you're studying, while a sample is just a smaller group taken from that population. So why does this even matter? Because when calculating variance and standard deviation, we actually use slightly different formulas depending on whether we're working with a population or a sample. In the next 3 videos, we'll dive deep into these formulas and walk through step-by-step examples to calculate variance and standard deviation for both a population and a sample. You'll learn exactly how to calculate them and, more importantly, when to use each formula. Click on the videos on the screen to keep learning. You can also find the links in the description or the first comment.